Presbytery som kali kan naya sumisinga som de zo Welsh trong hang ania adang kali zo English trong hang ania sinot kan meeting ko in idea of my Presbytery queen kan to ni ni association sinot level ang ato consultation te atal mo tu se tu na le khovel lo la omsel turatan mai cham chieng tu ni reng thei turin lalpan mal min som theu se kalo me
그냥 안에 냄새다 설명 목소리로 봐. 난 많이 안 되네.
Moderator of the Mizoram Synod, officers of the Mizoram Synod, and particularly
for the first time in my life with such a huge gathering of young people. I want to congratulate leaders of the KGP for the exhibition of the love of Christ. As I bring greetings, I also would like to thank the KGP for all the contributions that you have made towards the ministry of the Presbyterian Fellowship for many, many years. The choirs, the leadership, and the contribution which you have shown in various platforms of the Presbyterian Fellowship, we would like to thank you, Archie, for that. As we work together, I would like to challenge each one of us as members of the PYF. Many of you might ask, what is the PYF? Many of you might not know the full meaning of PYF. PYF is the KGP of the General Assembly, in simple terms. And you all are part of the PYF. And I'm very happy to stand here and I'm proud of being the Presbyterian Fellowship, being the KGP of this great church in India. I would like to brief a little report of the Presbyterian Youth Fellowship as I give greetings this moment. The Presbyterian Youth Fellowship comprises of 11 constituent units, 1 professional unit, and 1 associate unit. Christian Choir. I would like to invite all the selected participants from the KGP to be there. Once again, as I close my speech, I would like to once again thank for inviting us, and we have rich experience. Also be reminded that the fruit of a church is because of the revival that has happened years ago. Therefore, the ever-flowing spirit of revivalism may we instill in our hearts, and may we strengthen ourselves, may we encourage ourselves so that we will grow and we will exhibit the image of Jesus Christ in our lives. At the end, I would like to welcome conference Manghian Pathian in Malsom Bek Cheu Rosa. Chibai.
Natu ka mo le puin ho do. Oh, natu sa move le ha.
Respected Reverend Leader, Presbyterian Fellowship, the Presbyterian Church of India General Assembly to Shillong, acknowledging the Central Christian Hawaii Board for your spirit-filled efforts in organizing the 61st Mipui General Conference. Your labor of love has touched many lives and is a testament to God's grace. Whatever you do it heartily, as to the Lord and not unto men. Colossians 3:23, signed by the leader, Reverend Crimson Malik, and the secretary, Mr. Calvin Campbell.
Ini sudah lalu